Do you know how strong a black hole's gravity really is? Why is it said that even light cannot escape from a black hole? We know that anything captured by a black hole, under normal circumstances, will ultimately be swallowed, leaving nothing behind. But light is different from celestial bodies. Light travels so fast, it can circle the Earth 7.5 times in a second, the fastest speed known in the universe. And light has virtually no mass, so why is it still mercilessly swallowed by a black hole? Before answering this question, we first need to understand what gravity is and how it is generated. Newton's law of universal gravitation tells us that between any two objects, there exists a mutual attractive force. The greater the mass of the objects, the stronger the gravitational force, and the closer the objects are to each other, the stronger the gravity becomes. Conversely, the farther apart, the weaker it is. This means your body and every person on Earth exert gravitational forces on each other, but they're so small, they're negligible. However, a black hole's gravity is extraordinary. It forms when a star massive enough dies, collapsing under its own core. All its matter is compressed into an extremely small volume, resulting in an extraordinarily high density. This creates a gravitational force so strong it can even swallow light. But if light has no mass, why is it affected by gravity and swallowed by a black hole? In fact, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, gravity is caused by matter distorting the fabric of space-time. In other words, objects with mass cause the surrounding spacetime to curve. Imagine spacetime as a stretched fabric. Placing a heavy object on it creates a dip. This dip is akin to the curvature of spacetime. Anything placed on this fabric will fall into the dip, just like that. More precisely, light has no rest mass. When light travels through the universe and passes by a massive object, light that would normally travel in a straight line is affected because the space is warped by the massive object. The path of light is inevitably bent as well. If Earth were compressed into a black hole, it would be about the size of a grape. It's not hard to imagine that a black hole's mass and density are astonishingly high, causing spacetime to be warped to an extreme degree. Light no longer bends around it, but is funneled into a bottomless pit. This is why we cannot directly observe a black hole. As a result, the ultimate mystery of what lies inside a black hole may remain forever sealed within the black hole itself, and we humans may never fully unravel the mysteries of black holes. So do you think this is true, or is there still a mystery behind it? Leave your opinion in the comments below.